Hey folks, some stocks are breaking down, some are trying to hold, and one of the biggest names in the market just broke out and followed it with strong earnings. Right now, we're seeing support being tested, bases attempting to form, leadership quietly emerging, and in NVIDIA's case, a breakout now backed by fundamentals. The real question is, are we watching the early stages of a move back toward all-time highs? Welcome back to Chart After Dark, folks. I'm Guhan Ilgazli, and here we focus on structure, not stories, because price tells us where the money's actually flowing. And right now, the charts are revealing a market that is separating the winners from the laggards. Let's break it down. All right. First chart tonight, NVIDIA. NVIDIA hasn't just bounced. It hasn't just tested resistance either. It is now broken above a horizontal channel that we see here that had been containing the price. That's a shift from balance to potential expansion. The horizontal channels represented equilibrium, and when they break, markets often trend. And now, after that technical breakout, NVIDIA followed it with positive aftermarket earnings this evening. This matters because when a breakout is confirmed by strong fundamentals, it can transition from a technical move into a momentum move. The company continues to show strength, obviously driven by AI demand and one of the most powerful structural growth themes in the market. So now we have a breakout above resistance, a rising trend still intact, and fresh earnings reinforcing the narrative. That combination can act as fuel, and if price holds above this reclaimed range, these earnings could be the catalyst that helps push NVIDIA back toward its all-time highs. Because breakouts create opportunity, but breakouts backed by earnings, they create momentum. All right, anyway, second chart of the night, folks, OKLO. OKLO tells a different story. After the parabolic move, we saw the unwind, and now price is sitting directly at a previously defended demand zone. This level acted as a floor before, and price is testing it again. It's not reclaiming it, but testing. This is a decision point, because if the support holds, we may see stabilization. But if it fails, that's very little structure beneath it. And that opens the door for deeper downside. All right, third on the list today, Rigotti. And we've gone over Rigotti before. If you want to see one of my previous videos, just click on the link there. Rigotti right now continues to live in the aftermath of its explosive move. Obviously, the trend structure broke, momentum faded, and now price is at a familiar place, support. This is a level where buyers previously stepped in. We're seeing price react again, but this time we're testing it after a failed trend, which means this isn't a breakout setup, it's base building attempt. And whether this level holds will determine if stabilization happens or if the unwind continues. All right, last chart of the night, NMM, Navios. Interesting one here. While many growth names obviously are trying to hold support, NMM is doing something very different. It's broken above the prior resistance, as you can see here in the chart, and it's now pushing into new highs. That former ceiling, it's now acting as a potential floor. This is a classic trend continuation behavior. Higher highs, higher lows, reclaim structure. In a market full of uncertainty, I guess this is what leadership in the sector looks like. All right, so markets are not moving together. Obviously, right now, we're seeing some breakouts in NVIDIA, support tests of OKLO, base attempts with Rigotti, and leadership continuation with NMM. It's obviously not a one-direction market right now. It's a selection market. And in these environments, structure matters more than ever. Because the market doesn't reward noise, folks, it rewards positioning. So I'm Guhan Ilgazli, and this is Chart After Dark.